Hello friends, YouTube has recently introduced a new group feature. This is called group voice chat. Instead of group voice call, now you can make group voice chat. It is like audio broadcasting. You can see this icon, this wave like icon. You click, you start group chat. Every member of the group will receive a notification, not a ringing call. So you can use it as broadcast in your group. You can see this is how each member receive a notification. You can see one of the member receive the notification and click it without ringing, and as it ring it, he joined, the members joined the group. And when members join, you can see this broadcast, this audio broadcast. You can mute the mic, and this is how this feature works. It's a very great feature, especially for the teachers, for tutors. It can work. Thank you so much.